Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today's video I got a 2-pack for you. I'm gonna show you how to make this rigatoni with chicken stripes and pesto, feta cheese, and of course red coral tuile. I'm gonna show you how to prepare. So these are our ingredients, quite regular ingredients, nothing so fancy, and this is our rigatoni. So let's go. We're gonna start with our feta cheese and our pesto. We're gonna make a layer of the pesto. I'm gonna top it with our feta cheese, yeah, like you see. And I got some garlic and some onions cubes, which I'm gonna put on the side of our feta cheese. I'm gonna add another teaspoon of pesto, just on our cheese, yeah. And now we are gonna add a little bit of pepper, of course, some turns like that, and we're gonna add our spinach. This is spinach from the store, which I bought. This is already chopped, yeah. We're gonna add some cream. This was around 100 grams of cream, yeah. And just like that, we're gonna go to the oven. Yeah, look at it. Now to the oven. I got 180 degrees for around 30 minutes, and that's it, yeah. In the meantime, I got seasoned chicken strips with salt, pepper, and a little bit of Italian herbs. That's it. Nothing else. You're gonna just on the pan, sear it, and that's it. Well, now it's time for our rigatoni. I got this 12 minutes rigatoni, and this is just ready to go here. And after the 30 minutes, we are gonna just mix it all together. You can do it with a fork. I'm doing the mixer, which is easier, yeah. But with a fork will also work perfectly. Just the onions will stay a little bit bigger than, of course, you blended, yeah. Now look, we got our pasta. Remember to reserve always a little bit of the cooking pasta, yeah. It's very important. Now you place the sauce you prepare. Just mix it, make it creamy with a little bit of the water of the cooking pasta. If it's too thick, yeah, you see, I add a little bit. It's always important, yeah. It's give you all this mantecatura, yeah. This is important. L'acqua de cottura for this. Sorry. And just like that, we are ready to serve. You see, and at the end of the video, I will link you the Red Coral Tuile. It's just very easy. You get 80 grams of water, 10 grams of flour, 30 grams of oil, a little bit of color, food coloring, and just like a pancake. That's it. And then I'm gonna leave you the video. It's quite easy. So everyone, I hope you like it. Look, just serve it, top it with some Parmesan, and just ready to be enjoyed. Thank you very much, and I wish you a nice journey. See you in the next video.